Hi, this is Vanessa with Designs by Vanessa. In this quick video, I am going to demonstrate how to work the German twisted cast-on method. Now, I normally cast on with the long tail cast-on method, and if you're familiar with that, this will be very similar. Okay, so let's get started. I have some super bulky yarn and a double pointed needle. You can start with a slip knot if you'd like. I'm not going to do that, so I will just set up for starting the very first stitch. So you want to hold the yarn just like you would working a regular long tail cast on. Place your needle at the bottom of the strand. Keep your finger up here to hold it in place. Now let me show you quickly how you would work the normal long tail cast on method by going under this first strand and up, and then swinging over here, going from the top down, and then back through this base here where you came in from, and then you let go and tighten. Okay, that would be your regular long tail cast on. The German twisted cast on is very similar. So we'll start right here with your needle under the yarn, and then pull your finger and thumb back. So you want to go under both strands on your thumb and then over into the middle, so between the strands, back to the left. Now you want to swing over here, and just like you would your normal long tail cast on, going from the top down. Now you see where your thumb is, you want to push it down, facing down, so that you can place your needle back into that space, and then you let go of your thumb. Okay, so it's just slightly different, very similar to the long tail cast on method. So let's do that again. Under both strands, okay, over and into the middle between the two strands, go out to your left, swinging over here to your finger from the top down, going to the left. Put your thumb down, don't let go of the strand though, and then needle in that space. Let go and tighten. Let's work it again. Under both strands, okay, over, inside, in between the two strands to the left, swing over to this side, top down to the left, okay, twist your thumb down and through that space between the two strands. Let go. I find it helpful if you pull it up first and then let go. Otherwise you can run into the problem where it'll slip off. And I'll show you what I mean real quickly. Through both here, back in between the strands to the left, swing over here, grab this one, top down. Okay, so now pull that down, pull your thumb down. So if you went like this and let go, see how it drops. So I would recommend when you go down, swing it around, pull it up, then let go. Okay, so it's very similar to the long tail cast on method, and then once you get used to it, it's very easy. Okay, and it does give you a really nice stretchy cast on. So let me show you how I would do it if I did not pull my thumb down like this. Okay, this is how I do it, but that was just a way for me to explain it so it sort of makes sense. So when you go under both, through these two loops, back over here, see how my thumb is already down, and then I just sort of pull it right back through. Sometimes you're working a stitch and then your hands have a mind of its own, and it starts moving in a way that just makes sense and feels right, and that's what I guess my hands like to do. So if I were to do it quickly, because I'm used to it, that's sort of how I would work my cast on. So when I go under, back up, inside, see when I swing over here, my thumb is already facing down. So when I pull this, I just pull it right through and let go. Okay, so see how when I swing this way, my thumb is already down and I let go. That's just what's comfortable for me. Okay, so that is how you work the German twisted cast on. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe.